Yeah, man, them job are pretty damn fair. They are burn out people like RT and them type people. You see it. When you are burn out sizzler and a fair job that you see it for fair lifestyle where you live, can't burn out Rasta. Yeah, fire can't burn Rasta no time still, but what go on when you dep and welcome forward to the channel. You see it. And you don't know RT, like him have to pay money and thing for people par with him. So pretty than they expose him. Chop RT, you see it. Anytime RT send money for the promo and them because something they should just take it for herself. So should I have burn a fire upon him for RT say yo him help you pretty than bill. But you don't know as a RT like the people things and talk about it and them something you see it. So if you're new around here, just remember to like, comment and share and subscribe to the TV for future upload. You see it. Yeah, you get it right as a job. And you also can follow me on Instagram at Sandy and Bones TV. I will go back on here. I don't know if I have to say girl or boy, I say still you see it, for you don't know pretty than say him a man.
RT, come on alive, I say. Him, RT, pay my bills. Me when I live now. Me when I have house to pay bills for. Me done, we live out at 2 from 19 all long. Careless, workless, me without hold nutty. Him big pussy, me say stiff face. This your spritz face, batty man ya. Say him pay my blood clot bills and him send this and him send that. Big pussy RT make a reason and talk what really God. Yes, RT you keep my blood clot cash up busy. You know why? You remember when me kicking in your mouth for Grace Hamilton? You be talking truth, man. Remember, you know, I mean first shame you from blood. I think I done your reading career. You remember when you come from my life? On Facebook, boy, you read me. You pretty done. I see jail. You're gonna go to jail for weed. Me I did not go blood clot jail for 2 big stone. You say me go jail for weed and them a hug your mother fry you in your belly. That's why you not succeed. I mean cut you off from my blood clot life. Can me realize say you read for your blood clot self. It look like your eye then dark. Cause this a junk crier know when people a tell lie. And all you did a tell was blood clot lie. So I'm go so click and take you off from my blood clot Facebook. Cause I can do that. Ram, you come and you take up with Spice 3 blood clot years ago. And Rebel and TC, them and the whole of them, and you say you have file and you have receipt. The way you have file and receipt, why make you never show them the blood clot rent money where you send come give me city face, man. Your face big and heavy and teeth by your face like one iodine board, dirty thinking blood clot, man. Where your receipt for the bills, them where you pay for blood clot me. So could RT tell the whole world. Say you have to pay for them or blood clot, yeah. See where I come and tell blood clot, Remich, and me tell the whole of blood clot them. Pussy, you did not pay for survive, boy, I come here, bad man youth. You see, pray. You see my black clots, my black shirt, black like my heart youth. You see, pray. You did not have to send your 6 and your 7 bills, and me chop you every bumbo clot time, pussy. Cause me loyalty with Grace youth. Because Grace, I say Grace, this a pussy I just send me $600 about. He want me to do song one rare promotion. Grace say, we are gonna do that. Me say, chop me, I go chop him, me queen. My queen said, Dan, send back your money. You know me got you. Me say, queen, what me ask you, queen? They said me nothing, queen. Me say, me a chop him. Queen said, send back your money, cause we don't need no bumbo clot idiot island powder money. Oh, me say, queen, me a chop you. Pussy, I me chop you. Every bumbo clot time me chop you. When you forward in my inbox, tell the people them, you have a blood clot, make sure say me happy youth. You have to send money in my bumbo clot cash up as a bad man youth. Nothing less than a 5 bills, my boy. Pay, you have to pay for there. You have to pay for the blood clot, you big pussy RT. Joe Grace tell me say you're a body man. The only reason why you follow up Grace, and you are Grace alone have your blood clot secret and know say your mama sleep all a ground. Oh, you say you're rich. When Grace give me a whole of your file, and your mama still blood clot hungry. Big pussy RT, since you want to rake up shit. How much money you send come give me? Start put out the file them. No, I'm sure people how you have to pay if you live yourself. Remember pussy, you pay for cloth. Dan, me gonna send you $500, you beat me, you know. Just beat me. Pussy, just send me $1,000 in my cash app and send me how much evidence you are thief people money. And how me figure beat you. Not even the world never knows how you give me them blood clot voice note there. Pussy, tell the people them say you pay for your cloth, boy. Beat your stiff jacket face, blood clot every time, boy. Your face big and stiff on your face. Every minute you attack, me feel like your face I gonna drop off a mash of blood clot, bro. Your blood clot, somebody, pussy. Every time you send your money, me take that come your G. All of them $1,000 they rare. You ever see me do no blood clot promo for your pussy? Chop, you get chop. Bumbo clot, batty boy. Every time you send money, I me call Gracie. Gracie tell me to send back your money. I me tell Gracie, say, chop me a chop your pussy. Cause me can chop you. You hear that? Every time you send money, come to me, cash up, boom, in your face. Pussy me chop you up there. You're deaf, you have to pay for live, boy. Stiff face, boy. You never know that. You have to pay for me not thump in your face. Cause suck your mother and go from you. So you can come, show them the rent for your pay. Suck good man. Big old man, cause show them. All now come talk, you know. You see, most of them people who want to see on the internet, them pay for people beat and treat them bumbo clot, boy. Cause they want to stay relevant. Like big pussy, think whole RT. Every day RT life. If your name at today, your hearing come run up and down back of you. I want to send you much in money. Want to get reading. And they lick up blood clot soap them why I make. Pussy won't tell the people them how his soap go. You a mix up cabalic with blood clot detal. And I go like say a blood clot soap where I go prosper with people. I sell soap for $700. Thinking RT the only reason why you're up on the internet and make up nice. Nobody know why you look a fake reading them again. With your blood clot big old thinking veneers them in your mouth. Your teeth them big in your mouth like horse teeth to pussy hole. Go on and go live in a blood clot aquarium so good boy. Me I have to sodomite body boy. You see what time me cuss you? Me as a sodomite can cuss your body man cause you want pussy hole. Go and go suck out your mama and go from here so send something to me cash up. You give it again cause since you look like you're tired you look like you miss. You miss me. I miss you miss me. You miss me? Let me write down me cash up. Your bossy blood clot miss me. I miss you miss me. Then sit into it. You stink like blood clot. Okay. Okay. See me cash up there. Pretty than 30. PRETTIIDON 30. If you do the right thing, do the right thing, do the right thing. Stiff face, sprit face, body boy, do the right blood clotting. So good man, do the right thing. Big pussy man, do the right thing. That's all they say. All right. The little man will kill off a little reggae girl. At 6 years, the man getting him. That kind of rubbed me wrong with you because